Hi, today I wanted to make this quick video to show you the simple recipe that I've been using to make my own hair conditioner lately. You only need 2 ingredients. I hope that they're available in your country, and the third one is optional. Check it out. And that's it. It's very simple, very fast, and very effective. Look at my hair. I'm really loving the results of this recipe. Anyway, if you want to keep receiving health and wellness content, subscribe to my channel now and ring the bell to get notified. I will see you next time. Bye bye.